Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you amazing skin whitening, brighten skin tone naturally without any side effects. Bleach the skin at home. Naturally, my friends, you will whiten your skin tone up to 4 shades without any side effects with all natural ingredients. It is super effective remedy and super helpful in getting rid of dark spots, black spots, pigmentation, and you will be amazed with the result. From first use, it brightens the skin tone and it clears the skin. It close the large open pores and it will leave your skin clear, clean and white naturally without any side effects. This is a secret that works 100% without any side effects with all natural ingredients. But before we start out, my friends, if it's the first time you see my channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it, and also like that video. Let's start with the remedy. The first ingredient we need to add is around 2 teaspoons of rice flour. And rice flour, you get the rice and grind it fine into a powder and add 2 teaspoons of rice flour. يعني كي تشافى الكاتة that much. Then we need to add a pinch or half teaspoon of baking soda. And if you don't have baking soda, you can replace it with baking powder. Add 1 full teaspoon of baking powder. Mix with the dry ingredients. Then we need to add instant coffee. I'm going to add around a half teaspoon of instant coffee. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and you can use natural or market aloe vera gel, whichever available for you. Add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Then we need to add milk, just regular milk. Add 1 teaspoon of milk or add until the ingredients will become in a thick paste. Mix the ingredients like so. Once you mix and combine all the ingredients together, apply it with an aid of cotton ball. Dip in the cotton ball into the remedy and apply it on your face. Leave it for 1 hour to dry out completely, and then rinse it with warm water followed by cold water to close the pores. And my friends, the result will amaze you. From first use, it is super effective. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies. Leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.